Warwick and Spencer counties. At 5:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Linville to near Folsomville to near Eureka, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail.
It's so pretty!
This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Boonville, Newburgh, Chandler, Rockport, Dale, Linville, Grandview, Santa Claus, Folsomville, Eureka, Crispy, Tennyson, and Gentryville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Spencer and Warwick.